How to upload album on Audiomack. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload album on Audiomack. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to audiomack.com. And if you haven't signed up for Audiomack yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, going back in here, if you don't know Audiomack, it is a free, limitless music sharing and discovery platform that allows artists and creators to upload music and podcasts for listeners through its website and app, in which it is a youth-driven, artist-first music streaming platform that empowers creators to share unlimited music and podcast content for free. And also, Audiomack focuses entirely on new, independent, and up-and-coming artists, and it differs from full catalog streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music. And now, to create an account or sign in to this platform Audiomack, just click the link below the description, or alternatively, you can click this button on the top right corner that says Create an Account. And upon clicking on it, it will show you a pop-up window. And from here, to register, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, including your email, your username, and also to generate your own password. And also, you need to make sure that in creating a password, it must contain at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase characters, 1 lowercase, and also 1 digit, and or a symbol. Then after that, just click the sign up button below to proceed. However, since I already have an account on this platform, just click the sign in button, and I'm just going to enter here my email address, or you could also sign in using your Google, Facebook, Twitter, or even your Apple ID. And after signing in, you will be directed on the dashboard of Audiomack. And from here, it will show you a variety of options that you can navigate on the left side panel and also on the top panel option. But before you start navigating all of these options, you also need to verify your email address, and to do that, just go to your email inboxes, and from here, just click Confirm Email Address button. And upon doing so, you will be directed on the dashboard, and it will show you that your email address has now been verified. And now, to upload an album on this Audiomack, all you need to do is to simply click this upload button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, all you need to do from here is to select this album. But you could also upload a song and also non-musical in here. And now to proceed, just click the next button below to continue. Then after that, you will be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information or step-by-step process, such as to enter the details, to add music, edit or reorder, to release, and also to the finish step of this uploading an album. Now below the step 1, which is to enter the album details, all you need to do is to enter your artist name or your name and also the name of your album. And after that below, you also need or required to enter or select the genre of your album. While the left side panel a bit, you can simply add an artwork or album cover by clicking Add Artwork. All you need to do is to select the album cover that you prefer from your computer files. And also, you need to make sure that the minimum size of it is 500 by 500. And after adding the album cover, you are also required to select the genre of your album. We have here a cappella, classical, country, Caribbean, and many more. And also below, you could simply enter or select a subgenre. And as you can see, we have here alternative country, bluegrass, pop country, and many more. And you can select a maximum of 2 subgenre. Well, for the mood, I'm going to select here dark and also focus. While under here, the explicit, I'm going to select clean version and proceed by clicking apply to all, which means that I don't use any kind of derogatory words on my lyrics. And aside from that, below add caption, you could also add a caption for your album. And you can enter here a maximum of 800 characters. But I'm just going to enter here, life goes on. And after filling out all of the required information under the step 1, just click the next step button to proceed. But before you start uploading, just click yes, add songs, and add a song from your computer files. But I'm going to choose no, start uploading. And upon clicking on it, we will be directed on the next stage, which is upload your album, which is almost the same in adding music by simply clicking this browse to your file button and choosing the music file from your computer files. And after that, it will show you below the music that you just been uploaded. And aside from that, you could also add existing uploads by clicking the other buttons. And now to proceed, just click the next step and you will be directed in here, and it will show you that we have now an album track list, which is the music that we just upload. However, to see what our album looks like, just proceed by clicking this preview album button right here. Then upon doing so, you will be directed on the next tab, in which from here, it will show you what your album looks like. In which from here, it will show you your name or the artist and also the name of the album, and below are the track lists. Now moving on this page, just proceed by clicking the next step button and we will be directed on this step 4, which is release. And below here you can choose what kind of release do you want. You can release publicly, private, or even to schedule the release of your album. And by choosing private, your song will remain private and only visible to you, and you can create private share links once the upload is complete. While by selecting schedule or premiere access, you can simply enter or select the specific date you want to release your album. And aside from that, you can also even select a specific time of the release of that specific date. And aside from that, below here, you can see the album URL that you could also customize. And now, after scheduling the release of the album, we could also click the preview album, and from here, it will show you the changes that happen. In which below here, you will see some other buttons or options that you can navigate, in which you can track the number of stream, like, and you can even share this album. While below is the comment section, in which the listeners can comment anything that they like or their opinion about your album. And now to proceed, just go back in here and just click the finish button. And upon clicking on it, it will show you that you have now successfully added or upload an album. However, it is just scheduled to release on the specific date that I choose. But if you want to release it now, just click this release now button right here. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you other option and section of your album that you could also see, including the comment section, the release date, and also some other details about your album. And it is important to upload an album on Audiomack to provide an artist with an increased exposure, unlimited storage, a user-friendly platform, and also an opportunity to promote their music to a large and diverse audience. Since Audiomack does not charge creators for storing content on its service, and offline playback is free to all users and not blocked by a paywall. So that is just basically how you can upload album on Audiomack. Thank you.